Earlier this month, Adaloop said customer service is a hallmark of the Calvo administration as they seek to change the face of service to the people and improve employee conduct. While the initiative is still in the early stages, it appears some Gov Guam agencies still need plenty of work to come in line with the administration's new customer service policies. In the last few weeks, the Calvo administration received 19 calls to their customer service hotline. Since the announcement was made publicly, Governor's Deputy Chief of Staff Rose Ramsey says their phones have literally been ringing off the hook.
Office of the Governor Customer Service Hotline, how may I help you?
The administration has launched the Customer Service Hotline 475 Guam to field complaints from island residents. Of the 19 complaints they received in the first days of the hotline being operational, Adaloop says many dealt with agency phones not being answered, while others expressed concerns about employee conduct. Earlier this month, the governor implemented the administration's customer service policy that requires all GovGuam employees answer the phone or greet individuals in person with a hafa and identify themselves with first and last names. All government phones are also supposed to be answered within 4 rings, unless employees are tending to several customers in person. Directors were also urged to implement voicemail phone service in agencies with high-volume customer traffic. Since GovGuam agencies have had more than a week to implement the new initiative, KUAM made some phone calls today to see if improvements have actually been made. Let's try the driver's license examination branch. And 25 rings later, still no answer. Let's try the vehicle registration branch. Others, like the one-stop center at the Department of Public Works, are easier, though, to get a hold of.
One-stop building permit.
Hi, good morning. I'm sorry. Where are you located? And others, like land management, have already implemented a phone messaging system.
You have reached the Land Administration Division. Please hold for the next available representative. Sorry, the person you are trying to reach is not available at this moment. Please leave a message.
The administration has also established rapid response and crisis management teams to help deal with some of the concerns that residents call in. The rapid response team will address reports of potholes, unsafe road conditions, traffic light malfunctions, residential flooding, carcasses on the roadways, and unanticipated public school needs, just to name a few. The crisis management team, meanwhile, will address crises that arise from a lack of resources, including health and safety emergencies. We should note we attempted to contact Rev and Tax Director John Camacho to see why the phones at Rev and Tax were not answered at the agency's various divisions, but despite more than 20 rings, no one answered. If you'd like to complain about services you're receiving from the government, you can call the Customer Service Hotline at 475 Guam, that's 4826. It is operational between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on weekdays, and if the line is busy or if you call after hours, you can leave a voice message and expect a return phone call at a later time.